Stay ahead of the curve with these must-know fencing trends of the season. Whether you're building a new fence or updating an old one, these trends will inspire you. Let's dive in. Trend 1. Horizontal slat fencing. This sleek contemporary style is gaining popularity for its clean lines and modern look. It provides privacy while adding a stylish touch to your yard. Trend 2. Eco-friendly materials. More homeowners are opting for sustainable options like bamboo or recycled composite materials. These choices not only look great but are better for the environment. Trend 3. Mixed materials. Combining different materials, like wood and metal, creates a unique aesthetic. This blend adds character and can complement various architectural styles. Trend 4. Smart fencing. With integrated technology like security cameras and automatic gates, these modern solutions offer both convenience and safety for your property. Trend 5. Colorful fences. Homeowners are stepping away from traditional whites and browns, opting for bold colors to express their personality and enhance their landscaping. So, there you have it. These fencing trends are not only stylish, but also practical. If you're considering a new fence, these ideas might just inspire your next project. If you require professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more trends and tips. See you next time.